fixing the ABS pump, and obviously we've got a right rear ABS fault. What I've done is I checked the ohms of these two here, and they're both the same. I checked the earth this side, and we've got some sort of earth. This one works fine, so this is my reference. I've worked from there, and then I found out I haven't got a 13 volt feed. We still might have an earth problem, but as you can see, we go up here, doesn't like that, but it picks it up there, and then you go down here, down here, down here, but it picks up there and then goes and then there's nothing going. And if you can see, let's see if I can get a torch on there. You get on the torch there, and if you have a look, that little bit there, that little bit, can you see her? Just there. And there's your broken wire, right there. And that is the problem. I still might have one on the earth yet, but that's good enough to go for 12 volts. But that is, I can't find another one. But that also, I'm going to have to solder that one up as well. But I thought I'd show you that one and then see if we can clear the codes. Right, let's get this soldered back up. Okay. ABS nice and green, not like that green wire at the back. I've still got some fault codes all the way here, but the thing is these ain't even programmed into it, so someone's been mucking about trying to get something working, and I'm not going to get involved in that because it hasn't put any lights on the actual dashboard. But this is the one I'm interested in. Enter, we want to go there, and then read fault codes. No diagnostic fault codes, so that's it, finished, I'm done. And the actual customer now can pick it up, so it's a good one. Hope you like that one. I've enjoyed this one. Have a good day, everyone.